Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Kamran Halil from YouTube channel The Physics Gurus. Today we will discuss the changes which are going to be take place in examination 2023 for O-level physics 5054 exams. And these syllabus components and the contents will be released in the coming September 2020. So the content which were removed from the previous topics, from the previous syllabus contents, are transmission of the pressure in hydraulic systems, then specific latent heat. They will be no more part of the syllabus which will held in the examination in 2023. Then the electrostatic charge by induction and its all application. The application includes the electrostatic precipitator, the car spray painting, the photocopier machine, all those applications which includes the static electricity now will be no more part from 2023 examination. Then the process of the magnetization and the demagnetization of the steel will not ask in examination 2023. After that, similarly, the other portion of the magnetic shielding or the magnetic screening, it will be also removed from the syllabus. So it means that the current class 9 which is going to be appear in examination for the 2023, they will not cover these learning objectives. Another learning objective which has been eliminated is related with the chapter temperature, then the thermionic emission and the CRO. So now they will be no more part of the syllabus which the class 9 will get. And then the last thing, which was the optional chapter, optional content, optional learning objective, was the electronic system. That will be no more part of the syllabus which class 9 will go through, and these contents will not ask in examination 2023. Now what they have added? They have added a really very emerging topic related with the space science. So they will introduce a new topic, space physics, and then the related with the forces and the velocity and the acceleration, the concept of the momentum. The concept of the momentum is the part of the IGCSE syllabus for a long time, but that was not the part of the O-level physics. So now they have included that momentum, its formula, its definition in the syllabus which will be asked in the September 2020. Now what are the changes in the paper pattern? So now I would like to invite Muhammad Rizwan Halil, and he will explain you that what was the previous paper pattern and what will be the new paper pattern which will be held in September 2020. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. So Mr. Kamran has told you about the changes in the syllabus which will be applicable from 2023, and those changes will be published in September 2020. Keep one point in your mind, that for the students appearing in 2021, 2022 will have the same paper pattern, will have the same learning outcomes as previously given by the Cambridge. Only these changes will be applicable by 2023. So Mr. Kamran has told you about the syllabus changes like removal of contents and addition of contents. Now I will explain the assessment pattern or paper pattern of O-level physics 5054, which will be applicable in 2023. Okay ji. Now there are 4 papers for the physics. Paper 1 MCQs paper, paper 2 theory paper, paper 3 practical test, paper 4 alternative to practical. This side represents the recent assessment pattern and this side represents the upcoming changes which will be applicable in 2023. As far as paper 1 is concerned, of MCQs paper, it carries 40 MCQs and time duration was 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. So it will remain as it is for the syllabus of 2023. So there is no change in recent syllabus as well as the syllabus assessment of 2023. That is, in 2023 MCQ paper will carry the same 40 MCQs and duration of attempt will be 1 hour. In paper 2 theory paper, recently the students who will appear in examination 2023, 2021, 2022, 75 marks paper will be there and definitely its duration will be 1 hour 45 minutes. But in 2023, 75 marks will be converted into 80 marks. So in 2023 examination, paper 2 will carry 80 marks instead of 75 marks. There is one more change in paper 2 which will be applicable in 2023, that is the removal of sections. Recently there are 2 sections in paper 2 theory of physics 5054, that is section A carries all compulsory questions and section B question with one choice or optional question. So from 2023 onward assessments, there will be no optional question which will be asked as it is being asked right now in 2021 and in 2022. The paper pattern will be like the paper pattern of IGCSE, and in IGCSE paper there is no choice, all questions are compulsory questions. In paper 3 practical test, 30 marks paper is there and duration was 2 hours. But from 2023 the change will be there, that 40 marks paper will be there of practical test and with the time duration which is reduced from 2 hours to 1 hour 30 minutes. So in 2023 marks has been increased for practical test paper 3 and time has been reduced from 2 hours to 1 hour 30 minutes. Then in paper 4 ATP alternative to practical paper, right now there are 30 marks and duration of attempt is 1 hour. In 2023 syllabus, 30 marks has been changed to 40 marks and time duration will remain as it is, equals to 1 hour. There are 4 questions in paper 4 in assessment of 2023 and onward. Question number 1 practical question carries 10 marks. Question number 2 practical questions carry 10 marks. Question number 3 practical questions carrying 14 marks. And the last one, very important change, very crucial change for the paper 4, that is planning question. As it is being asked in the IGCSE ATP papers question. It has been included in assessment of 2023. So the students who will appear in the assessment of 2023 in ATP paper of physics 5054, they have to attempt the question carrying 6 marks regarding the planning of practical. And right now, if you will observe the marks distribution of physics, chemistry and biology, so their time durations and their marks are being different from each other. But from 2023 onwards, for biology 5090, chemistry 5070 and for physics 5054, all these 3 subjects will carry these new changes. In other words, you can say in biology, in chemistry, in physics, the paper pattern, the time duration of each paper and the marks for each paper will be equal. Paper 1 40 marks 1 hour, paper 2 80 marks 1 hour 45 minutes, paper 3 40 marks 1 hour 30 minutes and paper 4 40 marks 1 hour. So this distribution will be applicable to biology as well as chemistry, and definitely this was the change regarding the O-level physics 5054. So I hope so that now you will be able to understand the changes of syllabus for physics 5054. Thank you very much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.